What is color temperature in photography? Have you ever taken a photo indoors and it looks kind of orange? Or then maybe you stepped outside and it looks a little bit blue? Well, that's not your camera malfunctioning. It's the color temperature. Now in photography, color temperature describes the white balance of a light source. It measures in Kelvin, which tells us how warm or cool the light appears. Now while modern cameras are very smart, they can only estimate the correct color temperature. But here's the key. You can actually tell the camera the right color temperature either by choosing a preset, such as tungsten, daylight, or cloudy, or manually setting the Kelvin temperature value yourself. So here's why it matters. A lower Kelvin number like 3000 K gives you a warm orange glow, like what you might see in a tungsten light bulb or stage lights. A higher Kelvin number, such as 6500, produces a cooler blue tone light, closer to what you might see on an overcast day or maybe in the shade. So why does this matter? Well, in photography, your color temperature, if it's not set correctly, your images will look off. Skin tones might look too yellow or too blue, and that's a big problem when you're photographing people, especially in a professional environment. Now, you can fix this in two main ways. Use your camera's white balance preset, such as shade, fluorescent, cloudy, or flash, and tell the camera what the main light source is. Or you can manually set the Kelvin value to yourself using K and then rolling through your subcommand dial and choosing the right value. So here's a real world situation. You're shooting indoors in an event with tungsten lighting and your camera set to daylight. Well, your photos can look more orange. But if you switch to tungsten or manually set to around 3200K, you bring colors back to their natural skin tones. Now, if you're outdoors in daylight, setting your camera between 5500 and 6000K usually delivers true to life colors, no weird blue or yellow cast. So here's the bottom line. Color temperature tells your camera what white should look like given in any light source and condition. And when it gets that wrong, every other color in your photograph suffers. So the next time your photo feels off, don't just blame settings. Check the light source and make sure the Kelvin value matches it. If you can master this one thing, you'll never look at light or photos in the same way. And if you're curious to learn more photography terms like this, click the link in the video description to visit our glossary.